Yanin. How are
Yes,
you?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Very, very good afternoon. I'm great. What about you?
Yeah, I'm also pretty well.
I have to say this because they don't know about my background, but I know about myself.
Why
Actually,
are
I
you so? You are a good person. You have a degree. You are a good speaker. If you go in Delhi, okay, then you can get any job,
hmm,
which
yes,
is
yes,
your
yes.
level. Then
Uh,
everybody has a different type of background. If we judge we don't have a background good, then we should not do something special in our life. No, actually, we saw ourselves. If we go any company, then we have to give example whatever they want to ask. If we able to give answer with the confidence, nobody can ask about your background. That is,
no,
yeah.
yes,
Yeah.
yes,
You are a
yes,
good
you are.
speaker and you have a degree. If you want to, actually, you can say now I am doing study, okay, of graduation or post graduation. You can do online. You can go only at the time of exam. And
Yes, yes.
yeah, if you will do for English literature, okay, then you can do. You know how to make sentence, and after reading any story, then you can make any story, okay,
Mm,
then you will qualify.
yeah, and let the cat out of the bag. Actually, seeing me, any person can say that you are educated, your English is good, and your confidence level is good. But to be told, I don't know how to write anything. I haven't written even single word with my hand, and my study is so bad. I because I know my study is so bad. I don't have any knowledge about study. And when I get chance to talk to like highly qualified people, and they just when they reveal their courses, they reveal their about their study. So everything goes over my head. I think that time I think, oh, what are they talking about? So actually, the thing is, this is real. I don't have any type of knowledge about history. Even my family background is like totally like uneducated. My society, my village, most of them are uneducated. So nobody tells you that okay, you should do that, you should do that, you should do this type of course so that you can get job. And nobody force you to like study. No one. Like earlier, I remember that my parents never say that okay, you should go and study. So instead of saying this, they just say okay, just go to form and just work. So
Mm-hmm.
I was also happy that time because I thought, oh, it's better to go to farm and work because my all friends, my brother, my family, all family, they are working at farm, so I should. And I was so happy being with them, and I was not I didn't feel like studying, so I didn't.
Yeah, actually now you are educated person, and if you want to do study, it doesn't matter how much you have a degree. Actually, I did my post graduation, but I also don't know if
Mhm.
I also stand in front of any educated person and most advantaged person, we can say, okay, then I also feel shivering.
Yes.
Yeah, if you know how to present ourselves, then a degree it doesn't matter. You can get any job. Okay, and you are a good speaker, then you should use your English with the other person. And if you are a good person and a mature person, then you can go in a Delhi, Mumbai. There are so many jobs there. You can find everywhere. Find that person who knows English, and you know very well. Yeah.
Yeah, of course. If you have skill, so with the help of skill, you can get job. And if I talk about qualification degrees, so it is not enough for you to get a job, I think. So until you have any skill, so it is really very quite difficult to find job. So
Hmm.
yeah, it's great that I am good at speaking in English. I don't feel shy. I don't feel
Yeah.
uncomfortable with people. I can talk because I have been talking for a long time, so I know how to talk and how to deal with people, like a stranger. So I know. But literally, I'm telling you, when it comes to like any writing and reading, so I'm just fail that time. Yeah. So that time I don't have any, but people, of course, they can't believe seeing me that no, he's telling lie, how come? Because he is speaking fluently and he's saying that I'm uneducated. I
Yes.
never ever went to like college and
Yeah,
school.
we can say you don't have any work for writing, for reading, then you are not worried for writing. Okay. If you get any job in an office, okay, then you have a compulsory for writing. Then automatically it's your habit for writing and reading. Okay. You don't worry it for writing. Actually, you don't have any work for
Mm,
writing.
yes, yes, yes.
Then you think about this.
Actually, I can write. I can write with the help of social media. When I write, so I can write whole story. I can write email, anything with the help of like here social media, like on mobile, on laptop. But literally with pen, I can't write. Yeah, this is the problem. Actually, I can write everything like in English, in Hindi, I can write. There is no problem. But actually, this is not my habit to write anything with pen because I never ever went to school, so it is not my habit. Otherwise, it's okay. I can write whenever
Yeah,
I
but
chat with someone, so I can keep on chatting with other for hours and hours and hours. There is no problem with my writing. I can write. I can write so fast as well.
okay, then I think if you get any job, then you have to get 6 months for training.
Hmm.
Within 6 months, you can write and you
Yeah.
can do everything like a training time. Actually, initially we used to talk in English in a audio call, in a video call. That time we can say about a training. We have a training time. We had a training,
Hmm.
and
Yes.
now
Yes.
it's
Yes.
going on. Yeah,
Yeah.
now it's
I,
going on. Hmm.
I know that my thinking power is not good. Earlier when I got a job in Amazon company, so they hired me to like teach me so many things because they were going to open a like warehouse. So they sent me Haryana. They sent me to Haryana, and I went there. And whatever I was being like taught that time, so I couldn't understand. They just say, "Oh my God, you are the only one who can't understand. Otherwise, your all the team they are now started working. They are teaching other people as well. But why you are here? You couldn't understand. So you should go back to your home." I thought, "Oh my God, what should I do? Why am I not able to understand all the thing?" And of course, gradually I can understand, but I take time. I don't know why.
Hmm.
So they give me two or three chance, and then I just focused on that thing, and after that I learned. And after learning, I started teaching. They left those people who went with me. They learned before me, but they I left them behind, and I just started teaching after learning those things. So I know I take time, but when I learn, so I learn properly. That is why my mind takes time to learn all the things. So
Hmm.
here, when I came back here and I started teaching, so I taught so many people about that work.
English language. English
Hmm.
language.
Not English language, about that work, about that system, how you have to do that work in that company.
Hmm. Yeah, actually, we don't know about any company, and if we join any company, then we have to get time, like a training time. Then we
Hmm.
can learn. You said about Amazon company, they fired you, okay, without giving any chance. It's not right.
Hmm.
Yeah, actually, it's not right. We are not aware of anything. If we get a chance, then everybody can give us some time for learning this type of job.
Yes. So yeah,
Hmm.
I took time, but I learned very well. And after that, I taught so many people in that company. And
Okay. Yeah,
all the
it's very.
staff all the staff appreciated me that yeah, you took time, but you know very well all the thing.
Hmm.
But I left that job because it was 12 hours job, and sometime I have to go night shift and day shift and so many things. Lots of burden was there. Mm.
Oh, yeah, in private job, then we have to do every work like a
Yeah,
burden.
yes, yes,
In
yes.
a school also. Actually,
And
I used to teach in a private school. Okay, that
mm,
time we can say I had to stand in 8 hours in front of a student with keep a smile. I have a burden. I couldn't do do this. Then I had to leave, and now I decided for do this. But sometime I thought I was tired that time. Then I should teach some student at home. Now I'm teaching.
yeah, great, great, great. So I'm also doing the same because I have some students. I just teach them. So this is great. Like my dream, I give some time, and in return, my dream give me so many things like respect, money, profession, and so many people to talk. So I'm so glad. I didn't work hard on it, but in return, I got million things.
Yeah. Okay,
Yeah.
you how many subscriber you have?
I think three K. Yeah, 3K.
Hey, you earn money from YouTube?
Yes, yes, yes. I have received one-time payment from YouTube. Yes.
How much payment did you get?
Yeah, actually, we can't reveal. This is the problem.
You
Okay,
can't.
but I got one-time salary over there. So it is like biggest day for me when I got payment from here, because earlier I was thinking that no, 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 I can't become YouTuber. I was crying, I was giving up so many time. I thought no, 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 it's not my cup of tea. I don't have any skill. Why should I? How can I become YouTuber? And I give up for 6 months, for 7 months. I give up. Again, I started, and this time, like last December, within 2 or 3 months, my channel got monetized, and then I started earning money. So now, like I have learned so many things from my life that yes, though I was crying and I wanted to give up, but see, like now finally I got famous over here, and I wanted to give up my this language as well, this dream as well, but I didn't give up totally, and I learned without any situation, without any environment. I have done it. So people should do this. People should keep on working on their goal and dream. Of course, one day or other you will get so many things from your dream.
Yeah, actually, I also like you.
Yeah.
But we can't say I'm like you. I don't have a so much subscriber. I have only 80 subscriber. I have just started my journey.
Yes,
But
yes, yes.
I'm not so much consistent for upload video, and I'm not so much worried for uploading video. Okay. First, I want to learn English. My motto of is teaching line. I want
Yes,
to teach.
correct.
Hmm.
Because earlier I used to cry seeing my like YT studio. Oh my God! Instead of getting subscriber, I am losing subscriber. What's going on with me? I'm not getting views. I'm doing hard work. I just make video, upload video, edit video. However, I'm getting only 10 views, 15 views, and I'm not getting subscriber. What should I do? I used to cry. Yeah, in the beginning we have to go through a sorrow and hard work.
Mhm.
So this is, and of course, absolutely, if you are getting success after doing hard work, so that happiness is amazing for you. You are
Yeah.
gonna cry, yeah. So that day, my eyes filled up with tears, and thinking that, oh, there was a time when I didn't know how to like use mobile, and see today I have channel, and my channel is monetized now. So yeah, great.
Nice. Very
Yeah, so
nice.
people should never ever give up. They just keep on working.
Mhm. Yeah, I also will do. Recently, I decided for give up like you, but now after listening you, I should do.
Yeah, so many people were. I told them, don't do this. I'm here. I will motivate you, and just start teaching people. Here, every people have every YouTuber has like a student they are teaching. So you can also start. Even I didn't have courage that okay, how can I teach someone, because I don't know how to properly this language. But I realized that yes, whatever I know, I can give them. So I started teaching them. So I just motivate all the YouTubers that you can also do the same. So now so many YouTubers they have started doing, and when they talk to me, they just say that, oh, just because of you, I have some student I'm teaching. So that time I feel good. Yeah, I said, oh,
Yeah.
great.
Actually, if we know anything, then we should share with the person. We should
Yeah.
share.
Until you start, how can you become something? We have to start.
Yeah.
So we can learn so many things from our mistake, from our failure. So if you
Yeah.
don't make mistake, how can you learn? So
Yeah.
okay, man, thank you so much. I think video has become 27 minutes, so it would be difficult for you to save. So thank you so much, ma'am, for your valuable time.
Hey,
So
nice to meet you. We will meet again. Okay.
yeah, definitely. Okay, man. Thank you so much. Take care of yourself.
Okay.